Are you looking to move to Charlotte, North Carolina, but you want your forever home? Well, in today's tour, we are going to be viewing an exclusive community by Toll Brothers where you can make your final pit stop. Welcome to the Halstead Floor Plan by Toll Brothers. We are currently at a model for the Bluffs at Wesley Chapel. This floor plan has 5 bedrooms, 5.5 baths, 4,800 square feet, a 4-car garage, and a surprise that is gonna blow your mind. As soon as we walk in, you can see this show-stopping double staircase with the cantilevered stairs and beautiful glass railing. I think this is something out of a fairy tale. As if the double staircase isn't enough, the Halstead floor plan also features a 20-foot ceiling. This amazing door right behind me, which is an upgrade at Design Center so that you get a ton of light. You can already see that you have a ton of windows bringing in so much natural light. And to my right, you have an office space if you love to work from home. And to my left, you have a dining space for those family gatherings that we all love, especially during the holidays. Unless a space is 2-story in this Halstead floor plan, all of the spaces are going to be 10 feet tall on the first floor with 8-foot entryways. You also have beautiful trim, this arts and crafts trim, and that crown molding that makes this home feel super contemporary. Follow me through this butler's pantry where you can add a stack, which means that your cabinets are going all the way to the ceiling, as well as a wine fridge and beautiful cabinetry with soft closed drawers and soft closed doors. If you decide to build one of the 5 floor plans at the Bluffs at Wesley Chapel, you will have the option of building a beautiful kitchen like this one, from these quartz countertops that go waterfall, which simply means that it's a 90-degree angle where the quartz goes all the way to the floor. And of course, that means that we have to have an outlet. And here you can add an outlet so that you can plug in any appliances or your phone if you need to charge it, as well as the fact that in front of the cabinet, you'll see additional cabinetry. And this cabinetry is not just your normal cabinetry, which is typically about 12 inches. This one is going to be 24 inches deep. So you'll be able to store everything you need in here. If you are a person that loves to cook, this kitchen is going to be perfect for you. From the fact that you can get appliances starting from the KitchenAid brand all the way up to JennAir. This beautiful 6-burner gas stove here is something that will be a chef's dream in here. You also have your wall unit with a convection oven microwave, as well as your typical oven. So this is going to be the perfect place to cook it up for your family gatherings. As if that isn't enough, back here you have an incredibly large pantry. But the amazing thing about this space here is that if you decide to upgrade at Design Center, which takes about 6 to 8 months to build from the ground up, you can make this into a scullery, which simply means that this is a prep kitchen where you can do all of your cutting, all of your preparing, and no one has to see you actually cook a thing. You can do it all from back here and then present them to your guests. This secondary exit from the pantry or your prep kitchen leads you right into your garage space. Back here, you can always add a mudroom area, and look at this beautiful, expansive 4-car garage. When do you ever see this? I have a client that's been looking for a 4-car garage for years, and you have it right here. So these epoxy floors make it a clean, beautiful space. to park your cars or your golf cart. By the way, don't forget to subscribe to the channel so you never miss any of my future videos. The good news when it comes to building a home from the floor up is that you get all the options that your heart desires. Like for instance, the flooring that can go all throughout the entire home. So if you happen to have allergies or if you just prefer not to have any carpet in your spaces, you can have that here. The bad news is that you have to choose so many options and that can get confusing. But not to worry, because I was an interior designer prior to becoming a realtor, and I am going to give you tips and tricks throughout this video of what you should do if you decide to build here. Now, let's talk about this amazing room. This 2-story great room is anchored by this incredible fireplace going all the way up to the ceiling. Now, you do have the option of making this a one-level great room, which means that you would have the ability to have a bonus room upstairs. Depending on your lifestyle, that bonus room might be a lifesaver for your family. So if you love to do movie nights, or if you like to tuck the kids away so that they can have their own spaces, making this into one level is a fantastic option. Now, I am a great believer that in any home over $500,000, and this one is going to be starting at 1.1 million, you need a fireplace. This fireplace is a gas fireplace, and I believe that you should definitely add that as an option if you go to the design center. Whether you decide to build a Halstead floor plan or any other plan offered by Toll Brothers here at the Bluffs, you are going to be starting at a price point of about 1.1 million. Once you add in your structural upgrades and your design features, that price is going to escalate. But remember when I said that I was going to give you a couple of pointers? One of those tips is to add in any structural items that you won't be able to do afterwards. So for instance, this 2-story fireplace gives this place a huge, grandiose, and luxurious look. Remember, this home is all about scale. So the bigger, the better in here. Also, those beautiful stairs that are cantilevered with fine detail of lighting underneath. The third feature would be to add that stack in the kitchen. I never added the stack when I had the opportunity to do so, and I regretted it the whole time I lived there. That stack is a wow factor that your family and friends are going to be talking about for years. If you're ready to transition from the indoors to the outdoors, all you have to do is push these doors out of the way and hang out in this beautiful space out here. You have anywhere between ½ an acre to 3/4 of an acre at any of these home sites. That means that you can come out here, enjoy a beautiful outdoor fireplace if you decide to add it, and enough space to entertain family and friends, whether on the porch or on the lawn. This exquisite community of 12 homes is located in the coveted area of Weddington. And even though on the map it seems pretty far away, it's actually only 30 minutes away from Uptown Charlotte and about 30 minutes away from Charlotte Douglas Airport. It's also 15 minutes away from an extremely popular area to shop at called Waverly. There's an amazing slew of restaurants over there and shopping that you would absolutely love and enjoy. Out of the 5 floor plans that are offered by Toll Brothers at the Bluffs at Wesley Chapel, this one has an incredible surprise. Follow me to find out. In here, you have a multi-generational space for in-laws or for kids coming back from college. So they have their own room as well as their own bathroom and this extra space with a small kitchenette so they can prep their drinks and they can hang out and watch some TV. The second level gives you the option of either building this space as a bonus or using this catwalk to do your modeling. When I was young, I never forget that I went to go visit a friend, and what impressed me the most about their house is that every single room had a bathroom. This house is no different. Every room in here gets its own bathroom, which means that you can get up, get yourself dressed, and make your way downstairs to grab breakfast or hang out in that backyard space. This 4,800 square foot home is full of surprises. The first surprise was that multi-generational space below. The second is these cool set of stairs right by the garage that take you right into the primary bedroom. And the third is going to be a surprise that's going to completely blow your mind. This primary bedroom is large enough for me to practice my salsa dancing, but it also has a secondary space where you can watch television. But this is the space that's really going to take you for a spin. From your car wash shower to your freestanding tub and these double vanities, these are the things that bring your bathroom from ordinary to extraordinary. Surprise! This space right here is incredible. You have custom shelving throughout, and you have this really cool space back here to put anything else that your heart desires, whether that's a winter or summer wardrobe, or whether your spouse is putting their things there and you're putting yours over here. Ready for more design tips? At the Design Center, Toll Brothers gives you the option of adding not one, but 2 gas tankless water heaters and that multi-generational space that we saw before. I would advise you to take them up on that. If you're thinking about acquiring one of these homes here at the Bluffs at Wesley Chapel, I am a real estate agent. My name is Yadi Karina Jones. I am with Lifestyle International Realty, and I service both North and South Carolina. Y también hablo español. Thanks for watching. See you next time.